Hello guys and welcome to another video here on my channel, and today I will be playing some Teardown. Yeah, the best game in the world, in my opinion. Maybe not, maybe. And it's not gonna lag. And all the lag you see, I see too. Because right now it's lagging for me too, but we don't have to mention that. What the fuck? Okay, I'll just drop my minigun and... Oh fuck, I accidentally... Shit. You guys might remember this map from the first Teardown video I made. And I will be taking this truck, putting it on my flatbed here. Let's raise this up and put it down. So this truck or this thing can drive up on my thing. Yeah. And I will be burning that bridge soon. And I will also be trying to cut off that bridge as well. Come on! You car! Come on, back up! Back up! Okay, I need some... What's it called? I'll edit in what it's called and time. Let's... No! Fuck! Now I must be able to make it up this. No! I crushed that. What the? Okay, I'll burn this bridge now because I don't have anything else to do. Blowtorch. Apparently this... Okay, now this will... Yeah. Shit. This bridge is gonna burn the fuck up. I'm also gonna put like a bomb on this, because why not? And blow it up. With my shit, I did not have time to blow that up. No. I will also take this monster truck over here. Well, nice, yeah. Ah! Fall that. Yeah. Whatever, it's a bridge. I know what I should do. I should back this up. Connect it to... Should connect my thing to like up. I should connect this to that, and then this to this sign. I'll have to back up a little bit. Be able to put another sign. Now I should be able to put this on the sign. What? No. What the fuck? Okay, no. We're not gonna climb up now I should be able to connect this up. Let's go. Bridge ahead. Okay, I don't care. No!
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hi. What are you doing?
Playing Teardown.
What is little boy doing?
I don't know.
He's on me. Wait. He's in me VC too. Yeah. No.
Come on. This must go up. So I put that up. Now I can drive over this monster truck over the bridge. This monster truck is fast. Shit! No! I ruined this thing. I know what I should do. I should spawn in an military tank. Yes, we need a tank. I don't know why, but I think we need a tank. Yeah. Holy smokes. Okay, that's starting to not be good for my PC. Holy no. Holy smokes. I'll drive over. I'll just get my tank and go on with my day. There's a car in here I just saw. Look, cars. I think I'll tow some cars. These two cars I'll tow for a tank, because why not? I'll get the cable. Shit. Connect the cable to here. What? Why didn't this cable connect? It is a small car. And then connect the cable to this truck too. Like that. And then just go. And I just found a thing stuck on my tank. See if I can shoot it off using my gun. Yeah, it's off. Oh shit! I'm gonna back up. Oopsie! I accidentally shot my tank. Car, come on! Or truck, tank, come on! Shit! Okay, no worries, no worries, no worries. Shit, we're stuck. So I'll have to like try to lower the bridge. When it's getting crushed by my tank too, yeah. Fun. How am I supposed to get my tank down? I have a plan. I'll just leave it with some explosives. It shouldn't blow up. I mean, like, it is a tank. Okay, my tank is gone. That's true. I throw the pipe bomb over here. Oopsie doopsie. I should put this building on fire. I'm gonna do that. Ha ha ha! Mwahaha! I'm gonna, you know. Oh, look. Take my minigun and just try my tank. Now this side. Okay, no. I'll go in here. Open the door! Shit! Was the wrong thing. Hey, you need to open the door for me. I will destroy his whole shop. Shit, go. Otherwise, bad times. Let's try with some pipe bombs and through the window maybe. Yes. Oh shit, I died! I died. That was sad. Yeah, but because I died, I think that this will be the last of this video, and see you guys. And that guy just hopped into the call. I wanna throw this up and shoot it more than once. But what happens if I shoot this? I wanna pick this up and shoot it. Oh fuck! They just explode. That's what's happened. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, that's cool. I'm not scared. Or I am scared actually. Fuck! Okay, I don't wanna be in this shop anymore. I'm just gonna blow this up and that will be the end of this video. Or wait, I should grab a tank. That when I have grabbed a tank and then shot down this thing, I will then I will end this video, sadly. So then it will be no more teardown for a while if you guys don't want some more. Then you guys could leave a like and I will get some more teardown for you guys. And I don't like to be people that I don't like to be one of those people who like to tell their viewers to subscribe, but it would be lovely because I barely got any subscribers. Yeah, that will be the end of this video for today, and I will shoot down another one of these with a shotgun this time. Fireworks. See if you can do it with a hunting rifle. Do you guys think I will be able to do this with a hunting rifle? Oh, I'm the best. As to say, I still don't know what to say. I'm the biggest there. Still don't understand that, but yeah. See you guys in another video. Bye.